First of all, you have to remove the rubber trim, then the screws from top of the bumper. I have to mention that I also removed the screws that are below the bumper. There's also 4 or 5 screws on the wheel arch on the driver's side. You can now just separate the bumper from the active grille. It's just enough space. You can see that the active grille moves. You push it forward and you have enough space to put a plastic pry tool in there to start removing the grille. I put my active shutter manually with my hand to the open position. Here's again a quick view inside. We're doing this one by one. Now it's removed, and this is the new one. You can see you can interchange the interior parts. I kept the original interior parts of mine. I only changed the outside black grille. There you go, final result. Just put the bumper back on and then just push the new grille inside. While I was at it, I also did the mirror caps. These are 12 euros on eBay. They require no modification, just swap them. It makes a great pair with the front bumper. Any questions, just let me know. The entire job took around 30 minutes.